Today I'm going to show you how you can order our new custom journals and also our shop journals. So if you go to our website at persnicketyprints.com and log in, and then if you go to more and then gifts, we will start by doing our custom journal. Click on the custom journal and select all of your options, what insides you want, if you're having it picked up or shipped. And then you can select the background, click on photo. If you still need to upload your photos, you can click on the add photos button, or if you've already uploaded them, click on uploaded photos. Then find the photo that you want on your journal, select it and drag it. Then you can click background, or you can resize it and have it however you'd like. You can also add text. You can change the font to whatever you want, size, color. Then if you click transform, you can move it around. We also have our clip art tab where you can add things from there. Tons of cute little sayings and things. And when you have it how you want, you just click preview and add to your cart. Then if you go to more gifts and then custom journal again, I'll show you how you can find our backgrounds that are in there and then how you can add text. So if you click on background and then journal, you have our backgrounds, our journal backgrounds in there, and you can select one and put it as the background, and then you can add your own text. So make sure to select the background when you want to add text, add a text box. So you could put in the date or whatever you want. You can put your name. You can even do more than one text box if you want. Add another one. You can make it all caps. If you click transform, you can move that wherever you'd like. Once you have that how you like, you can preview it and then add it to your cart. And then the third option is to go to gifts again and then shop journals. These are the ones that are already pre-designed for you, and you can just select it and click your insides and add that to your cart.